Market volatility. Well, that's something that puts everyone on the edge of their seat. And with the way things have gone recently, many have a right to be worried. It's ups and downs. What do all those red arrows mean for those in or near retirement? Joining us to discuss that, Gary Mattson and Laurel Stewart, the father-daughter team at Mattson Financial Services. That's a firm that's been helping people retire successfully right here in West Michigan for decades. You can also catch them on their popular radio show, Money Mentors. Gary, Laurel, welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Yes, good to be here.
Pretty bumpy ride out there.
Oh yeah, right?
The market,
What is? No.
I mean, it's looking like a mountain range when you look at that ticker for the stock market. What does planning correctly for volatility look like?
Yeah, that's really hard. We've had this conversation, going into this year is what did we think this year was going to be like? What's our philosophy and how we're going to match that up? And we figured it would be a bumpy ride. We've seen great returns in the last 10 or so years where we've had that bull market. And so now things are adjusting. We've got inflation in there and it's a lot of heat. And as the client, they're wondering, where do we go from here? And so we look at all of our plans, making sure we're looking to the long term, taking into consideration all these concerns along the way and reacting.
A lot of people just second guess themselves. Do you find that where they're just not sure what to do? There's a lot of guesswork involved for the customer, for the client. How do you take that out of the picture?
We found a long time ago that we're not good predictors. We aren't, the market isn't, forecasters aren't good predictors, and so we don't predict. What we're going to do is react. The reason we can do that is because we have alternative investments within the portfolio besides just stocks and bonds. If all you've got is stocks and bonds, you're going to get that feeling of when that goes up and goes down together, it can be a very dramatic or heartfelt worry. And so when you have assets outside of just stocks and bonds, not only are those assets going to appreciate when stocks and bonds may not, but also is then we can take money and actually move into the markets when they go negative. So you and I have talked about this several times, is when the market's moving volatility, that's when I'm the happiest.
Opportunity.
Yes, because again, we're going to buy when the market's low and we're going to sell when the market's high, and that's what's called an active manager. Somebody's looking at your portfolio on a regular basis, making adjustments and making sure you're in the best position no matter what the market's doing.
Love that, where you're not just having your money babysat, somebody's actually managing it and doing something with it. But let's talk a little bit about risk. Obviously, when you're playing the market, the volatility, there's risk involved of losing money. And, that worries people, especially when they're near retirement.
Yep. And I think it's really important. We, try to educate our clients along the way, too, about what's happening and how does it work with their own personal plan. But it's more important to get the singles and doubles rather than the home runs and strikeouts. And I think that's the hard piece. People have lived in this accumulation phase where they do have time on their side. They can put money away. They're still getting their paycheck. But now we've shifted right into retirement. You're in the distribution phase. So now your money has to take care of you, and you're looking at the stock market too and thinking, oh my word, what's happening? So we need to make sure that your risk is in line with where you're comfortable at, but also we're educating you along the way as to what we're doing with this active money management, harvesting and buying in when it's low.
And the other part of that is, of course, is that not only are we paying attention to your portfolio and what's going on in the marketplace, but we're making sure that your income is coming from a place that you won't have losses. And so if you don't have losses in your portfolio by taking income, your portfolio is free to make some adjustments, and you're not going to be running out of money later in life or worrying about downsizing your lifestyle or moving in for the kids.
Right. So basically, you're making sure that you've got your guaranteed income bucket, right? And then you've got a little bit to play with. You can still play the market and lifestyle. All right, appreciate that. All right, so financial freedom, that certainly sounds good. I think we're all looking for that, especially when it comes to retirement.
Oh, yes.
And I know that you guys are offering a great offer for our viewers.
For the first 5 callers, if you've saved $500,000 or more for retirement, so things like your employer plans, savings, bank accounts, all of that, for the first 5 callers, we'll schedule a time for you to meet with one of our advisors, complimentary. Start going through this list of things that you want to do and accomplish in retirement, and it's completely complimentary.
Love that. That's an incredible offer. Thank you for both of you. Thank you, Gary. Thank you, Laurel. So far, you at home, if you're concerned about that market volatility and what effect it might have on your retirement, well, take advantage of this special offer from Mattson Financial. If you're retiring or already retired, Gary, Laurel, the rest of the team will sit down with you personally to customize a retirement plan just for you. It's a comprehensive plan that includes a look at your investments, your income sources, taxes, and so much more to help get you to and through that retirement you deserve. Reserve one of those spots now, 616-514-3831. That's 616-514-3831.